Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Today is the first day. No, actually it's my third day of quarantine. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I just woke up, showered, worked out. So I'm just gonna make myself some tea and start working. Let's go. I am now having my breakfast, starting to do some work, taking it really chill right now. I'll be going more heavy later on. It's 7:53. Yo, the camera is so low because I lost the tripod. Where's the tripod? I don't know. I want to take off my glasses, but I can't see. Right now, you guys are sitting on a few boxes of tissue. I'm working from home until further notice. I'm not mad at this idea, actually. I'm really loving it because I get to stay home and not be so much on the go. I am saving so much time. Let me eat. I'm saving so much time since I don't have to commute to work and whatever. Because usually to get to the office, it takes me like an hour. So 1 hour to go, 1 hour to come back. I've never noticed how much time consuming it is. And working from home is like the best thing. I am not mad at it. I am not in a hurry to go back to the office. But yeah, it's sad still, the thing that's happening everywhere around the world. Anyways, so I haven't mentioned what I do for a living. I'm here talking about, yeah, work from home now and whatever. So I'm an accountant. I work for an insurance company. Yeah, that's it. I'm new to this. I just graduated like, when was that? Almost 2 years ago. Yeah, and I had this job for like 8-9 months now. It's going pretty well. That's what I'm doing. I'll finish eating and I'll catch you guys later. Thank God I am working from home. I am not complaining because I was not down to be walking in the streets for a few dollars. No, sis. Ain't nobody got time. Anyways, I'm letting my hair grow a little bit because I won't braid for this summer. And right now, my fade is expired. So your girl is not feeling the hairdo. Because there is no hairdo right now. There's nothing done. So I am trying to learn how to rock head wraps and whatever. Yo guys, this is the struggle. Woo. Shouts to all my girls that rocks head wraps, hijabs and all of that on a daily. It's as hard as putting your hair together in the morning. What? Anyways. My arms are tired. I'm tired already. It's been like a minute and a half. Jeez. And I like it tight. Yes, it's real tight. Alright, we have something. This is what we're dealing with, guys. This camera is heavy. It's a struggle, man, being in between short hair and, well, I couldn't really say long hair because ain't nothing long about my hair right now. I just don't have my fade anymore. My little line, my little decor. How do you say that? My little design in my hair. It's expired. And I don't want to hit the barber anyway with all this corona thing going on. So yeah, I might just throw on my hoodie on top of that, but no. Whatever. I need to clean my space because I cannot work, I cannot function in a dirty space. So let's get cleaning. Alrighty, so everything is clean in the bathroom. Let me just show you. Ooh, the lighting is good here, sis. Yes. And look at the tripod situation. This is the tripod situation because I cannot find the tripod. Everything here is clean. This is actually empty and I should just throw it out. And the rest is my essentials. So my lotion, because ain't nobody got time to have ashy skin. Okay. Soap, clean your hands as soon as you can. Wash your hands, wash them. We have some got to be too late edges because I have tough and disobedient edges, so got to be is the way to go. This is to clean my piercings. This as well. This is deodorant so I do not stink. This is the lotion that I use for my face, and it's been an amazing journey. I love it. It's the Black African soap from Shea Moisture. Y'all can even tell because I've been squishing the bottle, but whatever. This we need because nobody got time to have dirty ears, and this is just random stuff that I need every day, so whatever. And I actually don't really like this soap anymore. I started using Black African soap by Shea Moisture that goes with this here, and I really love it better than all the white soaps, whatever. This is clean, this is clean. Next, so now I have this situation here. So it was my brother, can you focus? Thank you. It was my brother's birthday. When was it? On the 7th. Was it last week or 2 weeks ago? I don't remember. Anyways, so now we have balloons hanging everywhere, as you can see, and it's clean, don't worry. Napkins from his birthday that's just hanging there. And what is this? What was that? This I'm actually working from home, as I mentioned, and yeah, so I need to clean this because this is going to be my office that we need to clean. But all right, let's get into it. Your girl cannot sing for her life, but it's fine though. I got other talents. Let's find them out. Yo guys, I'm so scared. I hate doing this, but I'm done seeing these balloons hanging around. So there, birthday is over. Alright guys, so the living room is clean enough. So there is just my work stuff hanging here because I'll need them in a few. There's no more balloons hanging around. Everything is in place. Now, my room. Let's go. Bye. It's clean, it's clean. So the room is clean, let me show you. We have the bedroom done. This is my cell phone here, just chilling. My nightstand is clean, don't mind this. It's just my books and some important documents that I don't really know where to put. This is water because drink your water. And everything else is at its place, and I'm just gonna open my curtains. We are going to drink more water and start working. See ya. Oh, guys, let me tell you what happened yesterday. Yesterday, I was working from home. It was day 1, and after working, I like finished around 3:30, 4 p.m. something like that. Let me put you in the mirror because I feel like it. And I was done working and whatever, and I spent all day at home, and I love staying at home, but yesterday it was just too much. I did work at home, I did everything. I stayed home the entire day. I did not step a foot outside, and I was just done. So I was like, yo, okay, whatever, let me just go out. But I was like, go out where? And because literally everything is closed. So I just hit up my friend, we were talking, I was like, yo, it's been a long time since I've seen her. So I was like, okay, I'm coming through, whatever, fine. So get in my car, okay, start driving. I'm almost there, and I'm at the red light, and like there's a few cars at the red light. We've been at the red light for a few minutes, okay, and I just feel like I thought I hit the car in front of me, and I was like, holy man, how come I hit the car in front of me? So I lift my head up and I look, and I didn't, and I was like, what's going on? I felt like something hit something, and I was involved. So I look behind me, the car behind me hit me. So I'm like, oh. So I get out of my car, and the guy, he just looks at me like that. He only lifts his shoulders up, and I was like, what do you mean you lifting your shoulders? And I look at I just take a look at my car. I was like, oh my god, I hope everything is fine. I don't have time for this and whatever. And I look at my car, everything, thank god, was fine. And the guy, he didn't like move. He didn't get out of his car, nothing. He stayed in his car, and I was like, okay. And I wanted to tell him, yo, get out of the car, man, you just hit me, whatever. He doesn't even apologize or anything. So I look at my car, everything was fine. I was fine. He seemed to be fine. He was old, guys. He was older than life. So I was just like, you know what? I don't know. With all this corona thing going on, I don't want this guy to come out of his car for nothing and just maybe infect me or whatever. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just let the guy go, because it happened to me once that I hit a car and nothing happened. Like, the car was fine, my car was fine, the guy was fine, I was fine, and I was with one of my friends and she was fine too. So he just let me go, and I was so thankful. So I just let the guy go and I went on with my day, and I saw my friend and we had a great time. And yeah, end of the story time. All right. So it's bad. We heard that in France, people can't even go to the park and chill with their friends. If not, they'll get like a ticket or something. What are your thoughts on it, Mom?
About France?
Yeah. Little disclaimer here. I don't speak English very well, and so does my mom, so bear with us here.
What are you talking about? I do speak English. Je parle français and I speak English. Yeah,
if you say so. So yeah, we were talking about the situation in France, that people can't even like go to the park anymore, chill with their friends, and they can't be more than how much?
Paper, permission. Where do they get that paper? You have to go outside to get that paper?
Actually, well, we're in 2020, Mom. Maybe they can get it online and print it and walk with it.
What if you don't have the Wi-Fi?
Well, that's a problem. Who doesn't have Wi-Fi in 2020?
People doesn't.
Anyways,
so, I don't know. It's kind of weird. I hope we won't get there.
There was another thing about the gathering. It has to be less than 10 people.
Yeah, 10 people. Not here in United
No, in
States.
France. Oh, that was in the US.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, in the US.
Not in France. In France, I don't know how many people, but here in Canada, actually, it's 50 people.
Yeah.
That's nothing, guys.
So like a few days ago, it was 250 people maximum for like any type of event. But now they reduced it to 50. That's really bad. This lady's always on her phone. Anyways, watching the news.
You were talking about me, sorry. And I was trying to call my Ordre des Infirmières to know if I can postpone my payment. Nobody's taking the phone. So I want to keep my money.
Anyways. Oh yeah, she was thinking about doing that because we heard that all the tax return things, they pushed the limit date to the 31st of July to give people time, the accountants and whatever.
Too, if it's late, you don't get any ticket for that, so it's good.
Yeah, her birthday was on March 2nd, and also self-promo. Check out my last video where I talk about the first time I had to pay my driver's license, and I was late but didn't know I was late. Anyways, have you checked it, Mom?
Yes, I did, and it was so funny.
But do you remember?
At youth.
But do you remember in 2016 when it first happened? When I came to you, it wasn't that funny, huh?
It wasn't that
yo,
funny.
my mom.
Oh, baby.
Nah, she was like, yo, that's too much money. Oh my God, $500. And I was like, yeah, I know.
Poor baby, you know me. Look at my face. I'm the kind of mom who's all the time, oh, poor baby, come on. You want me to pay it for you? Did I say that? I don't think so. I think you did pay it. You have to learn from your mistakes.
Actually, you know who paid it?
Who?
Gloria.
Oh,
because I didn't have savings at the time. And she was working. She just started her first job at the time, and she had so much savings.
So you own her a house, baby.
I do, because
a house.
yeah.
I said a house.
Look at that. Yeah, it was actually my younger sister. She's 4 years younger than me. At the time I was 19, so she was 15. She was 15 something like that. And yeah, wow, she started working so young.
At 12, she was too precoce. How do you say it?
I don't know, she was too mature. She
Too
just wanted
mature.
to be an adult so quickly.
Yeah.
And yeah.
She did everything before 18. When she turned 18, she had nothing else to do.
Yeah, she was just like,
Nothing more
okay.
new to do.
It's okay to make
tickets you had
mistakes.
in your entire driving.
My driving life, career, whatever. Well, that was my first time, and what I didn't mention in my video was that night when I was with some friends, we were just talking about like how many tickets you ever had, how many times you've been pulled over by the police. The lighting is so bad. Anyways,
Okay.
I was bragging to my friends that I never got pulled over, never got a ticket, got all my points on my driver's license. And they were like, oh, don't talk too fast. And I was like, yeah, whatever, what you talking about? So I go back home that same night and I got pulled over. Yo, just go check now the video. I'll link it somewhere.
Yep.
And after that, that was the first time. And then after that, I got another one when I had the car that I currently have.
Okay.
Like a few months later when we started school. Nah, speeding tickets.
Jeez, you don't learn.
But it was on that street in La Salle, on La Vérendrye.
Okay.
So it doesn't count. Yeah, it doesn't count. So
Anyways,
yeah, that was my second one. Oh, I'm receiving a call. Okay, I gotta get back to work.
Okay, now, somehow you did this.
You did it?
No, Gabe did it.
Gabe? Holy, he's so good.
Look, and I also did it. Hey, what's
Yeah,
good?
a whole scam.
And I think I can redo it if I just do this. I think.
Can
if I-
you
Yeah.
comment if you think he can do it?
I'm pretty sure it's going to like redo itself. Oh yeah, it did.
You did it. Oh.
Right, and it redid itself. So I kind of did the cube.
Look at you, you're doing it like it's nothing.
Thanks. But I don't understand really how to do it, because like you have to like undo a side when you're doing it.
Yeah, true. Yo, it's back. Ah, you're so good. That's my baby brother, yo. Oh my god. Okay, now you're just showing off.
I'm just doing it over again.
Goodbye. Let me go back to work.